Well, I am outside here with the cars. Bit of a cold, frosty morning, but I'm gonna hop in the T-Bird here and get down the road. So first, let's give her a cold start. I just took her out last night, so it shouldn't be too bad to start. This thing's just been quite good so far. Like, the only issue it's had since being in my care is the alternator wiring, you know? But beyond that, and actually I want to make sure that we are on defrost, cranked, and then I need the rear defrost switch, which is this one here. There we go. Gotta love it. Just carburetor needs to warm up a little bit.